Good morning, everyone. Hello, how are you? Are you hungry? Morning. Bố là kia đâu bố còn như ngay đâu bố. Okay, let's visit the mothers in the nest with the baby, possibly the baby hatch, the hatch baby. Okay, enjoy your food here. Oh, the duck looks so full because they got the porridge this early morning, and the chickens do not like so much the porridge, so they like the special food. But the duck looks so full already, they ignore the food. I just gave them as the extra one. Okay, let's check the eggs and the mother duck. Good morning. Good morning, lady. How are you? Okay. And the mother here. Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I could not see your babies. And the lady here. Good morning. Good morning. Here I see your babies. Good morning. Here I see your baby. How are you? Yeah, your babies. I'm sorry. Sorry. I just visit you. I don't disturb you. I'm sorry. Don't feel. Oh. Don't be frustrated. I will go back. Enjoy your work. I'm sorry. Now let's see those inside the house, the big house. I can hear the voice of the chicks from far distance already. Now let's check this mother with the baby. I just put them inside here to protect them against the harm from those giant chickens. They are so they are so mean. They usually try to harm the baby here. So okay, I will leave you. I will let you live in liberty. I hope that you can protect your babies. Okay. And then let's check the other babies in the big house. How are they? One hatch. Mother is busy with breakfast, I think. Okay, and here she's busy. Here she's on duty. On duty. Oh, baby hatch. You see? Good morning. You are white. Why the babies are black? The lady, the father must be the black one. Okay, this one. Okay, here mother is not on the spot. Here on duty. You have baby. Sorry. Yeah, check now. Sorry. And two mothers and a lot of babies inside here. See, you can hear the voice of the baby. Two mothers. I will build a new, extend the house for you. Don't worry. And I will build at least 10 nests more for you all, in order not to challenge like this. Okay. Good morning. Okay. Put here the voice of the baby, but I could not see. May I see your baby, please? May I see your baby, please? Oh, sorry. So many babies. Sorry. Now let's visit let's look at the mother taking care of her babies. Now I let you live with your liberty, but you have to be very careful for your babies. Yeah, that's great that you go away from the others. Good morning. I just take video of your activity. I don't want to disturb you. I'm sorry. Don't feel confused. Don't feel confused. I just take video of your activity. Okay. Enjoy taking care of your babies. Oh my God. You know, now the most dangerous of the fields are the two giant chickens under the tree. Now the truth is that those two like disturbing the others, especially they don't like the babies. I think they always want to harm them. And let's see together what will happen. The father, please help. Shit, 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 shit. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, you guy. You are so bad. Maybe I have to take you outside and then let you stay inside this wheel because you are too bad. You are not kind. Oh my God. See again. She always want to ruin the babies. No, I don't let you do this. I don't let you do this. I have to take action on you both. No, no way. Go away. Go away. Oh, you are so nasty. You are not kind. You both are beautiful, look beautiful but not kind.